When bad days come. An interesting moral story. A young girl was getting frustrated and tired of life. So she asked her father what to do. Her father told her to bring an egg, 2 tea leaves, and a potato. He then brought out 3 vessels, filled them with water, and placed them on the stove. Once the water was boiling, he told his daughter to place the items into each pot and keep an eye on them. After 10 minutes, he asked his daughter to peel the egg, peel the potato, and strain the leaves. She was left confused. Her father explained. Each item was placed into the same circumstance, boiling water. See how each responded differently? He continued. The egg was soft, but is now hard. The potato was hard, but it is now soft. And the tea leaves, they changed the water itself. The father then asked, when adversity calls, we respond in the same manner as they have. Now, are you an egg, a potato, or tea leaves? So, we have found these vocabularies from this story. They're very important for us. Please memorize them. Frustrated, disappointed, hatash, bring, fetch, ana, vessel, pot, patro, boil, sheep, সিদ্ধ, peel, bark, kosha, strain, filtration, chaka, confused, distract, bugle, explain, interpret, ব্যাখ্যা, circumstance, situation, অবস্থা, respond, answer, উত্তর দেয়া, continue, keep up, চালিয়ে যাওয়া, change, shift, পরিবর্তন করা, adversity, unfriendly, প্রতিকূলতা, manner, method, পদ্ধতি. So, the moral of this story is we can choose how to respond in difficult situations. The end.